Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're gonna hit up some garage sales. It's a Saturday, we're gonna make some money, and finally all the rain's done in Austin, so it should be a really good day. I want you guys to come with me, hit the like button, let's go make some money. Come on! What's going on, guys? Chris, Bonafide Hustler, coming to you from the outside of our cul-de-sac. Looks like a beautiful day. I think it's cheddar weather. It is. We're gonna make some money, and that's what we do. Part-time basis. We flip things we find from garage sales and make great money from doing it. And we take these items, put them on eBay, Amazon, Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace, my antique booth, and other places in town. It's gonna be a lot of fun today. I think we're gonna find some good things. Let's go. We also have my brother, E-Money.
Welcome to the channel.
E-Money, E-Money. All right, the first garage sale is right there. Looks really interesting, and we see a bike already, so maybe we could snag that bike. Let's go check it out. I see an elliptical. I see an ironing board. Ooh. I think it's still solid. All right, we did scoop up that bike. We paid like $45 for all this stuff. Got a cool hatchet I'm gonna use. Got that bike. E-Money got all these Pokemon DS games, like a ton of them.
Yeah. And
there's also a Pokemon Green in there.
Yep.
Very nice, an Emerald version. Anyways, the reselling these Pokemon ones probably like $120, $150. What? No. More or less?
So I was looking up this one right here.
Yeah.
And I think this one might go for 100 itself.
Wow, jeez.
Maybe.
Okay, never mind.
Or more.
A lot more.
I gotta see where it checks out.
This bike is probably around 80 resale. This hatchet is mine. Whitney got a bunch of clothes too, so yeah, made some money. This is how we get organized.
Nope, didn't get it. Ha ha ha. You scared the viewers. You scared the viewers.
Funny bone. Haha, funny. It's funny.
Oh, it's not funny.
Alright, by the way, Whitney's here if you haven't figured that out. Alright.
That hurt.
Let's make some money. Ooh, let's go find that buck. I see a buck.
Oh yeah, I see the buck.
Here. Let's go get the buck. Come on, E-Money.
Yeah,
Do it.
Like
do a good
like
TLC. Come on, TLC this thing.
What's that?
That's creep. Yeah,
Oh,
just creeping on the down. Whoa. You see him? Oh, wow, his whole family's back there. His whole family's back there. Look at that. Whoa.
Cool.
That is awesome. On our way to the next garage sale. I think we'll find some good stuff here. You ready to find some more stuff?
Yep.
Yep. What about you, E-Money? More Pokemon games? You want to find some?
I'm actually gonna catch them all.
You gonna catch them all?
Yeah.
He's gonna catch them all. Our next garage sale is right here. Looks like Austinites. Looks like their house is redone. Oh, you never know. Let's go check it out. Oh, there's stuff in this inside that little barn thing. That's cool. Let's go check it. All right, we didn't find anything there. I think my wife got some little muffin pan thing so she could make some good stuff for me. No, she showed up to these garage sales with just 20s. So when something's $2 and you throw a 20 down, it looks really stupid. Anyways, fail on wife. Wife, fail. Why do you show up to garage sales with just 20s?
Because the other lady took all of my ones.
Oh, she did?
Yes.
So that's the actual part of the story right there? Is you
Yes.
actually had some ones?
Yes.
I don't buy it. I don't buy it. All right, next garage sale right here. I see a chest. I see a table. Yeah, it's kind of Austin-y. Yeah, it's a pretty big crate.
I wouldn't inject the price of it.
All right, let's go.
Rusty.
All right, so I popped on one thing for myself. This was $1. It's a very odd looking kind of Swiss Army knife. I think it makes you walk kind of funny.
Oh, it's a Swiss
if you use
Army
it too many
knife.
times. What?
Swiss Army knife. Oh.
Yeah, you're apparently like, this kind of Swiss Army knife will make you walk funny after a while, and you can drive your car into like a tree. But yeah, this is pretty neat. It has all the little tools to make awesome cocktails and stuff. E-Money, you want to drive your truck into a tree?
No.
I got you something.
No thanks.
Look,
How?
I know where this can go, E-Money.
No, that's
since you're so against this thing.
That's the reference that I was thinking. Like,
What?
that's not a Swiss Army knife. Yeah, it's a pointer. It's a pointer of sorts, so it will point you to where the cheddar is.
Yes, and then once you get there, you can measure how much cheddar you're making with these things. So
right.
if you have a really bad cheddar day, you put cheddar here.
Yeah, and then when it's
cheddar days
really,
here.
really bad, you take the sharpest blade here, and then you inject it into your lower right abdomen.
And seppuku, and you do, and then you commit seppuku, and then you're good to go. Whitney just figured out what seppuku is, or seppuku. You know what it is?
Weird.
Do you know what it is?
Yes, I know what it is. We are weird.
They're watching something.
Are you sure? Yeah, it looks like yoga.
Is yoga that close together?
2004. There was clearly a sign showing "Go here."
Well, you weren't paying attention. You're like, look at these people doing yoga.
Did you see it? I didn't see it anywhere. One more time, we're gonna see. Oh, right there, dude. Here, park here. Garage sale. We had to park way far out. Maybe we'll find something here. You never know. Let's check it out. See if we find anything here. All right, you found something for the house?
Yep.
$5?
Yep.
Neat.
A little rug.
A little rug. Buying stuff for ourselves, buying stuff for resale. That's what it comes down to. That's what makes it so fun. If this was only just about buying stuff for resale, it'd be fun. But the fact that we find stuff that we can use in our everyday life makes it really fun. E-Money, are you wearing anything right now that was garage sale?
Am I wearing anything on the garage shelf?
Anything.
Or thrifted.
Or thrifted. I certainly am.
No, surprisingly I'm not.
No. My shoes were $2 or $3 at a garage sale. My pants were $20 at a dealer sale. And my hat is mine.
Was $1.
Your shirt was $1?
Yeah, and then this one, I don't remember, but I got it from
I didn't spend full price on it.
E-Money's Tacoma was a used Tacoma. See, we're buying used. We're buying used. Next garage sale is down here. Apparently it's a moving sale of sorts, and these people are going to be moving into an RV from a really nice house in Central Austin. They're going to an RV life kind of thing. So they're getting rid of everything. We'll see if we can find some deals. And I think it's somewhere, I think I see a sign on a tree right here. So we're going to park on the side up here, Emerson. So we're parking it up. We'll see if we can find anything at this house. All right, dude, steals and deals. We got some good stuff. All right, I got an analog jacket that's been used on like one trip. Snowboard jacket, so sick. This plus these pants were $15. These are Quicksilver awesome snowboarding pants, which these will probably be resold. This jacket might hold on to and take it to the slopes. So freaking nice. Anyways, analog jackets are awesome. So got that. We got a cutting board. It's part of the $45 deal. So we can think of this as 15. We paid like, anyways, 45 bucks for all this stuff. Cutting board. And then I think the big winner really are these studio lights. These are like, you know, when you want to make YouTube videos and stuff, you have those two big lights, you know, facing at you. That's what this is. Tripods and everything, bulbs, everything was part of the $45 deal. This will probably resell for $80 to $100 locally all day. And you got some clothes and stuff?
I got some James Pierce.
James Pierce clothes?
Yeah.
Cool.
See, this right here.
Is that for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
James Pierce.
That looks good. They had a lot of cool clothes and stuff.
So soft.
James Pierce. Also part of the deal.
What's up?
What else is part of the deal?
Oh, hey, hang on, someone's calling me. Hello? Hello? Quint? Quint? Wait, what?
It's saying
He's saying Quint.
No,
What's
he's
he saying?
asking for Quack. Hello? Yes. Quack is here. Yes. What? No. Quack is not for sale. Cannot have Quack. I mean, the duck phone will probably be in my booth for
50 bucks.
no, not 50.
Yes.
Somewhere between 30 and 50, but yeah.
Look it up.
It's not that great. It's not like a super heavy wood. That's the thing. It's really light. So 30 to 50 bucks. It's pretty cool. Hey man, my next guide will be called Mallards to Bucks, just so you know. All right, so now we are going to get arguably one of the better coffees in town. I've never had it before. A lot of people tell us to go to Flat Track Coffee. So that's where we're going right now. We're gonna get a good doppio or something, and then we'll maybe see one more garage sale. We might just go straight to tacos. I don't know. Thought we did pretty good today on a day that was right after the big rainstorms and stuff. So it's not too bad. Looks like Whitney came out with a lot of clothing. I came out with a duck and some snowboard gear and some other random stuff. And E-Money was like, you should make your next guide ducks to bucks. And I was like, ducks to bucks, that sounds pretty good. I don't know. Might do beards to bucks too here in a second. This is the stupidest guides ever. It's like impossible to find a parking at this coffee shop, so you have to park on the street, which sucks. It's called Flat Track Coffee. It's behind all that mural thing. We'll be the judge of this. We will be the judge of this. Oh, by the way, we're like in the middle of Hipsterville. Caesar shop is in Austin. It's like major Hipsterville. It's a bike shop. Sweet. Oh, this is sick. Whoa, it's a bike shop too. Sweet bikes, man. Dude, this is so nice. Steel frame. Oh, that's so cool. Might have to get that one day. We're gonna try this coffee out, E-Money. Yum. Cheers to a good day. All right. Mmm. 3-hour doppio. That's a 3-hour. Is that 3 in 1?
Yeah. Yeah, that was good.
3 in 1. 3 in 1. Very sour. It's a extremely sour doppio.
And that was like a gap.
Wow! Whoa! Taco Deli, I see you. You're in my sights. Oh, I am ready to annihilate these tacos. It was a really good day today. Now, okay, let me take it back. Not really good, but it was good. It's good enough. I'm glad I went out, you know? We got Whitney Money. We still don't know her name. You gotta like figure out her name, guys. I can't figure it out. I don't know if you call her Whit Money, Witnessing Profits.
Win.
Whit Wins is what you're saying? That's kind of stupid.
Or Whitwin.
Whitwin.
I don't know.
Why don't we just call you the Prophet?
Prophet. I
Yeah.
am your prophet.
See?
Makushi and something special in a bowl. Got it.
Thank you.
And then I have the hamakushi and
Right here. Cool. All right. So these tacos have arrived. We have eggs and avocado right here. Eggs, special hot sauce, akaushi beef, cilantro on that one. We have akaushi beef, jack cheese, onion glaze, all on this one right here. That's what I got. It's awesome. Putting some salsas on there. Whitney got untacos basically, without the actual tortilla. E-Money basically is the same as me. Here's to a good hustling day. We'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we're done with the tacos. We had a lot of fun today. A lot of fun eating those tacos. And even our friend over there that works at Taco Deli, Jeff, hooked us up with some pozole that we've never had before. So good. You're gonna see that on a future video. And E-Money's radio is blasting some Alice in Chains at us. Okay, so that's basically the vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler Ride Along. Take it easy.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.